I think it's a good place to have connection with people who are interested in drone applications.
Everyone's been really friendly and collaborative and excited.
I think on into the future that this is just the beginning of what the technology can offer.
This really is a space that encourages people to step up and take what they're interested in, which is really positive.
The instructors are super approachable, very friendly.
I'm really stoked to learn from amazing experts both on university campuses through UC ANR and just other flyers.
There are many, many applications for drones, and we try to cover a little bit of all of them here at Drone Camp.
Someone that comes to drone camp can expect to learn a lot of the basics, but it's more about exploration.
Especially the grad students and the researchers, but also in agency jobs.
The opportunity to meet other people that have done this.
It's a good and excellent chance to get that basic knowledge to do these exciting things.